Welcome to the Jolly Roger Roatan Catamaran Sailing and Snorkeling Excursion. Our shore excursion is constantly rated as the top sailing catamaran and snorkeling tour in Roatan. We are proud of our 5-star rating on TripAdvisor with over 1,000 excellent reviews and a 97.5% approval rating. We are at the top of the list of things to do in Roatan. Guests are welcome to our beautiful island by friendly, experienced tour guides. Whenever possible, we pick up our guests at the Shore-X dock with our waiting catamarans. Otherwise, comfortable buses and vans offer our guests a shore air-conditioned transfer to the Jolly Roger Marina where they step aboard their waiting sailing catamaran. Our Jolly Roger crews are repeatedly commended for their friendly, exceptional professionalism with a high focus on safety. Each of our 5 catamarans measure between 72 and 60 feet and are equipped with 2 marine toilets each. Each catamaran has shaded and open areas for our guest enjoyment. We ensure that every guest is outfitted with comfortable, quality snorkel gear, and we provide a full safety and informational briefing before entering the water. Professional guides accompany our guests throughout the 1-hour snorkel portion of their tour. We offer 2 separate snorkel groups, one for experienced snorkelers and one for beginners. A guide leads each group with additional lifeguard crews following in kayaks to offer assistance if needed. Roatan offers the best snorkeling in the Western Caribbean. Our Jolly Roger catamarans will always find the best of the best snorkeling for our guests. Our coral reef is teeming with schools of fish and slow-moving turtles and lobsters. We bring our guests to the best snorkeling sites available, and our guides do their absolute best to ensure everyone is able to see unique ocean creatures. We want all of our guests to enjoy the wonders of Roatan's waters. After snorkeling, everyone is usually really hungry. They have just burned up a lot of calories. We offer them our now world-famous rotisserie chicken lunch, including pasta salad, Roatan rice, cabbage salad, and fresh fruit salad. Everyone agrees it is really delicious. Also, after snorkeling, we open the bar and guests can choose from refreshing rum cocktails or any of our non-alcoholic drinks and beverages from bottled water to soft drinks. You must be 21 to consume alcohol. Tour times vary and are set by your ship. After snorkeling, there is plenty of time to show our guests our beautiful island of Roatan and have fun. If the winds permit, we sail our guests back to shore under sail and then return them to their ship. Our free digital photos are amazing, and guests relive their snorkeling and sailing adventure after returning home, where they can also show friends. Jolly Roger Roatan catamaran sailing and snorkeling offers guests an experience of a lifetime that they simply will not want to miss.